हेलो नमस्कार, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ सिरवी पॉकर। नाम तो सुना ही होगा। It's my first video, so sorry for a lot of text. This video is only for those who want to travel from Germany to India in this pandemic. I went to the Clone Hauptbahnhof for my COVID PCR COVID test report. I went on 27th of March in afternoon, and I got my report on 28th of March in afternoon. They gave me a QR code. From that I can download it uh, on with the help of Corona One app. After that, on 28th of March, I uploaded that COVID negative file on Air Suvidha and also filled a form called self-declaration form. It's the same form we used the last year, but this year is the contactless, so it's everything is online. So I fulfilled that form, and after 5 to 10 minutes, I got an email from me is approval. I took that printout and with my COVID negative report printout and self-declaration form printout, I went to the Frankfurt. At Frankfurt airport, I gave my luggage, and at the luggage check-in, they also need your ticket, of course, and the COVID negative report. So they will check first the COVID negative report. After that, they only give you the boarding pass. Once you get the boarding pass, the normal process, you go for the security check-in, then for the immigration, and before the boarding, they need your COVID negative report before your boarding. If you don't have the hard copy, like printout copy or the scan copy, then they won't be allow you to take the flight, because it's airline's responsibility that they took only negative passengers. Before you book the flight, if you have the connecting flight, then make sure that you have the layover around 6 to 8 hours, because you have to do the COVID test again. So if you tell them like I have my flight in 2 hours, they won't let you take the flight. So there is a compulsory. They also put the rules on their website that if you have the connecting flight, you have to maintain the layover around 6 to 8 hours. So keep in mind. Once I landed in Delhi, I registered myself for the molecular test again. There I waited half an hour in the queue for registration. Then I paid 800 rupees there. There are a lot of options for payment, like with credit. I gave my samples. I waited 4 to 5 hours, and then I got my report per email. Be careful with your email. When you give your email, write down your email, write down it properly, because they type it, they have to save the data. So if they didn't understand it, just tell them twice, because you will get your email, because you will get your report on your email. So be careful. After doing all the process, I waited like 4 to 5 hours. I had my flight from Delhi to Ahmedabad. That connecting flight was in evening 16:15. So I waited around 9 hours. At Delhi airport, all lounges are closed. Food court is open at Delhi airport, so there is no worry about food and water. And keep in mind that all the flight came from Frankfurt to Delhi or Frankfurt to Mumbai or Frankfurt to Ahmedabad. They all are Vande Bharat mission. So if you have the connecting flight, they won't allow you to exit the airport. Like I waited 9.5 hours at Delhi. I thought I could maybe go outside, but they said no. It's a Vande Bharat mission, so you have to wait until your immigration, because our immigration was done in Ahmedabad and not in Delhi. When I landed in Ahmedabad, I took a cab and I came to the Surat. Every city have the different rules for the international passenger. Like in Surat, they have 7-day home quarantine. So I have to do the 7-day home quarantine. So check your city rules before traveling. I uploaded the list and the link where you have to upload the document in the below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the videos with your friend who recently want to travel. Might be helpful for those. And if someone has any question, please ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much.